Good morning, children. We are going to learn about equivalent to decimals. Children, this is a square box and this has been divided into 10 equal strips. So let us count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And further it is being divided into 100 boxes, right? So children, out of which in this 10 boxes 3 are colored. So how to write it is 3 by 10. And the same if we take in this 100 boxes 30 are colored. See the area, see the space. You can see that in both the cases only 3 strips are colored. Can you able to see? So while comparison we can say that 3 by 10 equal to 30 by 100. 3 by 10 is equal to 30 by 100. If we make 1000 parts, then it will become 300 by 1000. Okay. So from the above picture, both are of same size. First one is divided into 10 equal parts and the second one is divided into 100 equal parts. Here both the pictures are representing the same amount. That is 3 by 10 is equal to 30 by 100. Further we can express as 300 by 1000. So this can be written as 3 by 10 equal to 30 by 100. That is again equal to 300 by 1000. So children, when this is a fraction 3 by 10. How can we write it in the decimal form? Write the numerator and in the denominator we have 1 0. So after one number we are keeping point. Okay. So for the second one 30 by 100, write 30 in the answer, and because of 2 zeros, after two numbers we will keep the point. And again for the third one, write number 300, and for 3 zeros, after 3 numbers we will be keeping the point, decimal point. So all together children, if we observe how is the number after point 3, after point 3, after point it is 3. So all the 3 are same. That means these are called as equivalent decimals. The value is same. If we write zeros or not, all are same. Okay. See children, some more examples are given. 4.7 can be written as 4.70 or 4.700 or 4.700. We can keep any number of zeros, but we should see that 4.7 common in all. No other extra numbers. Okay. So now for 15, 15.0, 15.00, 15.000, all are same, all are equivalent fractions. Now 17.9, 17.9 is common and 0 extra. Okay, so these are called as equivalent fraction. Adding 0 at the end of a decimal number does not change the value of the decimal. Now we are going to look after like and unlike decimals children. The number of digits after the decimal point gives the number of decimal places in a decimal number. Children, here the examples, the decimal numbers with the same number of decimal places are called like decimals. I want to clear it. Children, see, after the point we have two numbers. After the point, two numbers. After the point, two numbers. So, whatever may be the numbers, but after the decimal point, two digits, two places should be there. Then only we call it as like decimals. Clear? Now, when we are studying about unlike decimals, see the examples. After point, two numbers. After point, one number. After point, three numbers, three digits. So they are unlike decimals. Did you understand? So the above three numbers have different number of decimal places. Now comparing decimals. That means greater, lesser or equal to. Children, how to compare is compare the whole number part. The decimal number with the greater whole number is greater. Now children, see 5.82, 6.82. Which one is greater? First we will check the whole number part. Here it is 5 and here the second number is having 6. So which one is greater? 6 is greater. So arrow is this. Now 5 is smaller than 6. So less than symbol is used. If the whole number part is same in both the numbers, see here, compare the decimal parts. The example is given 26.78, 26.18. Which one is greater? 26 is same. Then we need to check the decimal part. Which one is greater? 78 is greater. So 78 is greater than 18. So 26.78 is greater than 26.18. Now comparing unlike decimals. To compare unlike decimals, first convert them into like decimals and then compare. Now children, see the numbers. 12.14. Second number is 12.5. So they are unlike decimals. So first we need to make it like decimals, just adding 1 0. So what happens? Here it is 12, 12 same. 14 and 50. Which one is greater? 50 is greater. Then 12.14 is less than 12.50. Here also same. Here 3 digits are there after decimal point. Here only 2. So add 0 and we will compare. 3 and 3 are same. So 259 and 250. 259 is greater. So 259 is greater than 250. Okay. Now we'll see the exercise. Brain Booster 9.4. Compare the following using less than, greater than or equal to. So first one children, what is it? It is 2.79, 2.7. First we need to make it like fraction. This is unlike because here 2 digits are there, here only 1 digit. So place 0, then it is 79, it is 70. So 79 is greater. Now children, here 5 and 4. Which one is greater? 5 is greater. Here 6.09. 6.009. Okay. So this is greater because tens place, hundreds place. In the hundreds place itself is having number. Here 100 place also no number. Thousands place we have number. Okay. So 6.09 is greater. In the same way 15.86, 15.68, 86 is greater. Okay children, complete this. Now second sum, arrange the following in ascending order. First we should check whether these numbers or the decimal numbers is like or unlike. Children, see here, after decimal point 2 numbers, after decimal point 3 numbers, after decimal point 3 again 2. So first we should make all the decimal numbers like fractions. So this is only 2, so we should make 3. Here it is already 3, 3, 3. Now all are starting whole numbers are 15. Now we will check the decimal part. What are the decimal part? Ascending means small to big. Which one is small? 25. So first number will be 25, then 125, then 250 will come, then 520. Okay, this is the order children, from small to big. First, second, third and fourth. Second sum, we have to write it in an order. Now after decimal point 2 digits, here 3, 3, 3. So make it as like fractions. Now we have 750, 751, 75, 755. Decimal whole part is, whole number is same for all. Now 75 is first one, second is 750, third is 751, fourth number is, fourth decimal number is 755. Okay children, now we'll see the descending order. Descending order also same. So first 24, 24, 24 is same. Here 3 digits are there. We should make this also 3 digits. So 0, 0 will come. Here 2 already is there. One more we have to add and make it 3. Here also 2 present and one more we will add and make it 3. All are okay. Now 3 digit decimal point, decimal part. Okay, now 20 comes first, then 21. First one is 20 number, then 21, then 100. Okay, sorry, descending order. First one, then second, third number and fourth. Children, from big number to the small number. So practice well children. This needs lot of practice. Thank you ma.